Hello and welcome to GoProfit. In today's guide, we'll explore the Profit and Loss Report feature and show you exactly how it works inside the app. You can quickly access it right from the sidebar menu. Let's jump right in. The Profit and Loss Report helps you quickly review your store's financial performance over time. At the top, you can set the reporting period. By default, data can be displayed by monthly or yearly view. You can also use the Export Data button to download the report for further analysis. The first section shows revenue, where you can track total revenue for each selected period. Revenue is broken down into sales revenue, shipping revenue, and total revenue for easier comparison. Next is expenses, broken down into categories such as cost of goods sold, returns, fulfillment fees, label fees, processing fees, ad spend, transaction fees, custom expenses. This gives you a detailed view of where your money is going. The report also calculates earnings before taxes, so you can see your income before deductions. Under taxes collected, you'll find how much tax was recorded in each period. Finally, the net profit section summarizes your profitability, including net profit amount, net profit margin, making it easier to understand your overall business health. Currently, the report supports monthly and yearly views. If you are a pro customer and wish to customize the report, for example, by week, by custom date range, or with additional metrics, please reach out to our support team for assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.